Hello there. In this video, we'll go over the process on how you can create a template so you can synchronize your WhatsApp messages as item updates or contact updates here on Monday. Before we can get started, though, it's important to mention that you must have integrated timelines with Monday. I will leave an article in the description of this video so you can review that article and make sure that you have this integration already configured. However, if you have already done that, then we can proceed with this video tutorial. So to get started, it's important that you are here within a board where you're actually synchronizing your contacts from WhatsApp. And then we'll proceed by clicking on Integrate here. Then we'll search for TimelinesAI, and you will see three different groups here. We're going to select the WhatsApp Messages TimelinesAI. Then we'll select the third template that you see here. So whenever you get a new message on WhatsApp, you can always synchronize that message as an item update here on Monday. Now, in this WhatsApp account section, you'll be able to select any in case you have several WhatsApp accounts connected in your TimelinesAI workspace, and you would like all their messages to synchronize into their respective contacts or items on Monday. Or you can just select one specific WhatsApp account if you would like this to work for any specific WhatsApp account that you like. Then you can choose the phone column here. So we can search by phone and identify the particular contact that you're having a conversation with on WhatsApp. So we can then add those messages as updates here on Monday. We create the automation here, and the system will inform us that it has been enabled automatically for us. We can close this particular window. And now we can test this out by sending or even receiving a WhatsApp message. What I'm going to do here is that I will go to Timelines, but you can always test this out using WhatsApp directly, the WhatsApp mobile app. So I will send a message. And I will include an attachment as well. So go to downloads, we're going to select that message. There we go. So as you can see here, I will be sending a message with an attachment to this contact. There's the image attached to the message that I sent. So we go back to Monday, and this message should have been synchronized as an update. So we can click on updates here. If I don't see the message, then I can just refresh the page. And I can see that message synchronized here. You will notice that the person who sent the message will be listed or mentioned here, as well as the timestamp of that particular message that was sent. We'll include the text that was sent in that message, as well as the image or any attachment that was sent in that conversation. That will be visible here. And remember, messages that you receive will also be synchronized here as well. So if this contact sends me a message, I will see that same entry here, detailing the specific contact's name with their respective timestamp, their message that they sent me, and any attachments that they include. So that information will be visible whenever you get here on Monday and to check your contacts and see the updates they have. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always contact us via the chat support that we have available. We'll be more than glad to help you out and assist you further. Thank you. Have a good day and take care.